Hi, I'm Mac. I'm the road. Pause to the Zorgo. 1 second. Okay, guys. So, take off your mask now. It looks bad on you every time now. You look roasted. Hit the thumbs up if you want to shout about crazy side. I got ninja gadgets to get that mask off you. Every time now you do it. Look at your nose. It's so horrible. What are you doing? Doing that? There's no reason to do any of that. Just get your memories back. How do you like it? And then you will get back. Zip it. Come on now. And zip your sweater. Let's see Spy Ninja. Be a Spy Ninja hacker. So you can help them. You can get your mask off and enjoy part of the logo. It's always been Hive. It's always been a Hive. Every time now, you do it now. It's peace out. You get a wife. Come on now, I'll kick your butt into you. What? I've been thinking. You gotta take your mask off. Charlie Zorgo is bad. Taking down YouTube. Jump on the Zorgo side, hit the thumbs down. If you're on Spy Ninja side, hit thumbs up. And subscribe down below. Hit the bell. If you're on Shout Out Crazy, and hit the like button. If you're on Shout Out Crazy side, do that. Then you're on Shout Out Crazy side. Oh yeah, I've been thinking you can just take your mask off to unplug the Zorgo side. You're a wop, not a cop. Every time now, I'll kick your butt, and then I'll kick you when you. Oh what? Oh yeah. I've been thinking, you've been doing this when it's been banned. Lately I've been thinking you go down to the Spy Ninja side because you're just not making things right. Part of Zorgo is bad to watch. Spy Ninjas are good. Like they teach you how to do stuff. What's not good for kids? The political members do that. Make people hack and you get arrested. And the max is stupid. Just take them off. And then let's see your real face. Come on. Gotta do this until your memory. You gotta know it. You've been part of the Zorgo. What? How do you do that? Because it just sucks. Wow. You're so bad. Ha ha. Look at you. I'll kick your butt when you go now. Yeah. Yeah. Where did you go? This is so bad. Oh, I'll just do this when I see you. Come on now. You go now. Every every time you go wow. I'm holding the phone, you so bad. Woo! I make you dizzy. Wow, wow. It's overtime. It's overtime. It's 1 hour and 50 minutes. Woo! I'll backflip. Say yes. Another backflip. When I learn how to backflip, I'll kick your head when I see you. Because I'll just fight you. Woo, yeah. Look at the CWC short. It's better than your black hackle mulch. It's only one color. What are you doing? Doing that? That's not allowed. Have one color? Why? YouTube. You need to lead part of the Zorgo channel. It's bad. Spiders are good. Every time you go walk, it's overtime. I'll go walk. Bam! 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 I won't kick you. I roundhouse kick you. Oh! Oh! See that? Oh! Oh! How about that, man? That's for you in your face. Oh! I didn't even know. Yeah! Oh! 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 Bam!